Hey guys, good morning. I'm still half asleep. So today I'll be just doing like kind of like a vlog style video showing you like today's like my day, today and tomorrow is my day off, so I'm just showing you like what I do on my days off. Today's kind of like a pamper day, so I'm getting my eyelash extensions done. I'm here, I'm just waiting on the what would you call her, a stylist? I'm just waiting on the stylist to get outside. Then after that I'm gonna go get my brows waxed, and I'm gonna also get a pedicure because my toes not looking so righteous right now. So that's what I'm gonna do. I may get a tattoo today. I'm thinking about it. I may get a tattoo. I just waited last minute to text the guy back to let him know that I wanted to do it today, because he initially changed his price. So if I do get the tattoo, I will let you guys know. But yeah, so I'm just gonna go do my lash appointment, and once I come back I'll just bring you guys along with my day. I might just do a 2-part video with today and tomorrow in case I do the tattoo tomorrow, but as of right now I'm just gonna go ahead and go to my appointment, and then once I'm finished I'll talk to you guys again. So hey guys, I just got my lashes done and this is how they look. I'm loving them. My eyes kind of irritated because it was closed for so long, so then I just opened it and it's just like, you know. But yes, I just got them done. I love them. I'm gonna link the girl's Instagram on the screen somewhere right here. But yes, it was done. It wasn't bad because she had to set up and stuff. I would say it probably take an hour and 30 minutes, so it was really good. It didn't take too long, but I do love them. But yeah, so now I'm gonna go ahead and head to the nail salon because I need a pedicure really bad. So guys, I kind of forgot that I was vlogging, so I went and I made a stop at my house because I recently got a credit card. You know, remember, financial stability, you need to build credit because credit runs America. So I came and pick up my credit card from my house, and now I'm gonna go to the nail salon, so I'll just show you guys. Sorry for the bad angle guys, I just have there are like people in front of me and it's like kind of awkward. So I went ahead and I'm gonna get the tattoo. I'm just waiting for the artist to finish sketching it. Once it's done, I'm gonna go ahead and get the tattoo, and then after that I'm gonna go buy some fish because I'm gonna make fried fish tomorrow, and I'm gonna go clean my car. I'm gonna bring it to the car wash and have them clean inside because it looks very disgusting. And then I'll be going to this Jamaican restaurant to get some food, and then I'll be done for the day. I can go home and do some schoolwork, but I'll show you guys the tattoo once it's done. So, guys, I just got home from a long day, so I did go ahead. Remember I told you guys I'll be buying some Jamaican food, so I did go ahead and get some curry dough and rice and peas with some plantain. I bought some Jamaican sodas and drinks, and my boyfriend loved tambourine, so that's what I got. So, hey guys, so I know I'm in the same shirt. Don't worry, I fell asleep last night. I'm about to go to bed, so I decided to just go ahead and continue the video into today. Drew, stop. I decided to continue the video into today. So I just got up and made me a cup of coffee, and I'm doing my budget. This is for my next paycheck that I receive tomorrow. I'm just doing it beforehand. What I have planned for today is I'm gonna cook some jerk chicken. That's not all I cook. Yeah, sorry about that. So that's not all I cook, it's just what my boyfriend likes. So awkward. And I'm gonna go and get my car cleaned because it looks disgusting, and I'm gonna go to the supermarket. I might go to Ulta. I'm thinking about it. If I want to spend any money, I might go to Ulta, and I'm gonna go, and I have schoolwork to do, and I'm also gonna spend the rest of the day with my friend Megan. I'll just show her in the video once I'm at her house. But that's what I have planned for today. So I'm just gonna finish up my budget and then go, and I'm also gonna clean. I'm gonna clean, and then after that I'll go to the supermarket and get my car cleaned. So I'll bring you guys along. So hey guys, I went ahead and cleaned. I showered, did my baby hair, and this is my little outfit for, I'm kind of bloated because I think my period is coming, but I'm about to head on the road. I have to go to the car wash, go to Home Depot. Where else am I gonna go? I am gonna also go to Ulta. Maybe, I'm thinking about it. Go to Ulta, and I have to go to the grocery store because I need to get some stuff for what I'm gonna cook today. So now I'm just packing my bag. I'm just taking out some stuff that I don't need. This is like this my bag that I bring to work. So I had to throw some stuff in there the other day. So I'm just taking out the stuff that I don't need from it. Yeah, so I need my purse, I need gum, I need my AirPods, my elastic. I'm bringing my book. This is my planner from Erin Codrin. It is, you'll see this in my video about my budgeting. Have to have the birth control deck. No babies 2020. And head, I'm gonna put my slippers on. I'm gonna go and head to the focus. I'm gonna go ahead and head to the car wash first so I can get that out of the way. Do I have my phone? Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead. The bag is hurting my tattoo. I'm gonna go ahead and head to the car wash, so I'll talk to you guys once I get into the car. Oh, hey guys, I'm back. So I'm just about to go ahead and head to the car wash. I'm not too sure where it is. My boyfriend is the one that told me about it. So I'm gonna use the GPS, and I'm gonna call my grandma because it's my day to call her. So I'm gonna just show you guys the road as I head over there. So guys, I got my car all cleaned. It looks good. I had just a bit of an issue with them because I like told them to clean the carpet and the carpet wasn't cleaned, so I had to like wait a little while. So I was there for like more than 2 hours, but I just edited some videos in the meantime. Now I'm at where is that? I don't know if you can see. I'm at Home Depot, so I'm just about to go grab some stuff from Home Depot, and then I'm gonna go ahead and head to the supermarket, and then maybe Ulta. Remember, it's still a maybe because I haven't decided yet, but that's what I'm doing.
Approximately 10 hours later.
So guys, I finally made it home. So I'm just gonna go ahead and unpack the groceries and start prepping to cook some dinner. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do now.